Everybody has a different perception towards life. For some, the glass is half full, whereas for some, it is half empty. I am among those who believes that the glass is half full. A very good morning to all my viewers. I am Megha Jaju and I belong to Biratnagar, which is situated in a beautiful country, Nepal. I am a very enthusiastic girl and it took me 18 years to be who I am today. As rightly said by John Dewey, education is not preparation for life. It is life itself. My educational life has been quite like a roller coaster ride. I completed my primary education from Biratnagar, staying with my family. Then I was sent to a boarding school named Shigali Hill International Academy in Dehradun, India, where I got to taste the real world. Furthermore, I completed my +2 from Maryland College, and pleased by the quality of education, I decided to pursue my bachelor's from Maryland itself. Having heard that Maryland is collaborating with University of Wolverhampton, and this is happening for the first time in Nepal, I didn't even give it a second thought and got myself enrolled. Thus, currently I am a student at Maryland College, Biratnagar, pursuing BA Honours in International Business Management. The most important influence that has shaped me as a good person is my upbringing in a traditional joint family oriented with an Indo-Nepali culture. I'm a very sociable person who loves to make people smile. Just that I'm not a dentist. Golden Fortnight Scholarship 2015 is just like a golden opportunity that has knocked my door. I believe that there are many other candidates who are deserving as much as I am. But what makes me different from all the others is my willingness to do something different and my eagerness to initiate. I believe my communicating and leadership skills has taken me one step ahead in being a rare species and not a stereotype, which is evident with the way I express my views and mentor my team. Apart from this, I'm an optimistic person with an honest and adaptable nature that makes it very easy for me to gel up with different people. I'm also very persistent in nature. According to me, these skills are extremely crucial, which will help me to actively participate in the study tour. A bird can only fly when set free and not captivated. I believe that my capabilities has not received a complete exposure to showcase its colors. The reason why I believe I deserve this scholarship is that this scholarship will provide me a perfect room to explore myself and expose my abilities in the best possible way. If given this opportunity, I am confident enough to take up any challenges and overcome any obstacles in my way. If I win this scholarship, I will be proud to step in the University of Wolverhampton as a representative of my college. Once I come back from this study tour, I would like to contribute something to my college and the community. I will make a collaboration of all the video clips and images and make a short movie out of it, which I would display in a seminar to be conducted in my college to share my experience with all the students. This will give them a virtual exposure to our university. Along with this, I will observe the management of the tour and will utilize those to train certain interested groups of my community free of cost, letting them learn things out of the nation while still sitting in the nation. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying that perfection is not in doing extraordinary things. It is in doing ordinary things extraordinarily. I assure that if I am chosen for the scholarship, I am definitely going to make an impact. Thank you.